Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super elegant Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So download the Leafline launcher application from the Play Store first, and you can just get this super minimal green looked and minimal looked launcher. You can find a super modern clock widget on the top and find by the weather widget, and also a different type of clock widget and weather widget placed on the home screen, which actually so look and modern look. You can find the different type of clock on the top, like a Google Pixel clocks, and also the icon pack, which is so minimal and it's small in size, which you look great actually. So if you just need a different unique modern themed launcher and also just need a minimal, just look with this. So go to the theme setting and just click on the theme number, apply the theme number 12 inside the launcher setting, and you can get the exact theme setup. And the other more options are here, like changing the wallpapers and also a lot of icon pack and everything options are here. So, and the app driver follows the same black and white themed icon packs, which actually look great. And if you just need a modern theme look, you can just get this launcher and you just apply this theme as I said. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.